Hi guys, in this video we will see how to find out compromised password in your iPhone. Is your iPhone warning you about compromised password? Don't ignore it. In this quick step guide, I will show you how to check if your saved password have been leaked and how to secure your Apple ID and other accounts on your iPhone. Using your iPhone's built-in password monitor, you can instantly detect if your login information appears in known data breaches. Here are the process. Go to your settings of your iPhone. Here go to apps from the bottom of the page. Here scroll down and you will find password app. Tap on password. Here scroll down and here you will find detect compromised password. iPhone can securely monitor your passwords and alert you if they appear in known data leaks. Turn this feature on and iPhone will detect any compromised password. Open password details. Unlock your iPhone with your Face ID. And here you will see all your saved password on your iPhone. Simply tap on all and find out any compromised password held in your iPhone or not. You can see a red warning icon against any compromised password you will find. Simply see this password is a weak password and compromised password. So this password has been detected in a data leak and should be changed immediately. Such type of message you will receive and immediately you must change your password. Find out some other passwords also and change immediately. So iPhone password app is very essential. That's all.